To make Nutella, we've arrived at the world's largest cocoa pod farm, where after being carefully cultivated, workers are now manually harvesting the cocoa.
Only the ripe ones go in the basket.
How about this yellow one?
Yes, that looks good.
Carefully selecting only the highest quality pods, these are then gathered into containers for easy transport to the processing unit.
The real excitement starts there. Once they reach a small cleaning unit attached to the farm, large machine cutters As we observe these workers, they are efficiently separating the cocoa nibs, which protect the cocoa beans, and setting aside the extracted materials. These cocoa nibs, once left to dry, will gradually form a dry skin layer on their surface.
A preliminary quality test is conducted on these nibs to confirm they are beneficial for producing cocoa butter and chocolate, given how easily they break.
These vibrators first use vibrations to peel off the fine skin present on the cocoa beans, and then the clean beans are transferred to the roaster. As the nibs begin to roast, they start to expose the cocoa bean inside the shell. With the help of separating machines,
here, the beans are finely ground into cocoa powder. The journey of sugar begins here, in the rich soil of the sugar beet farm, where massive harvesters work tirelessly.
Let's gather the remaining materials needed to make Nutella, starting with a Hispanic female farmer harvesting sugar beets.
sugar plays a crucial role in the making of Nutella spread. The white sugar, once approved through testing, will be placed into sieve vibrators.
Now it's time to talk about milk, for which they exclusively contract happy, well-fit Ayrshire cows.
Morning, data looks excellent today. Bulk tank is ready. Great to hear. We'll get this loaded up. This chart shows Buttercup's consistent output. We test the milk twice a day to maintain the Nutella standard.
The preliminary count looks excellent, well within the target range.
Glad to hear it. We've been optimizing the cooling process.
The first step is for a female quality control expert to test the milk for quality. Only after it receives
For this, we've headed to Turkey, known for producing the best hazelnuts in abundance.
This involves using heavy machinery. Along with the hazelnuts, some debris is also collected.
Upon arrival at the factory, the hazelnuts are roasted and separated from their hulls to prepare a fine paste. An adult East Asian male human inspection is essential to ensure that nothing undesirable sneaks in to spoil the flavors. The production of palm oil starts with the harvesting of palm fruit. The harvested bunches are then taken to factories where they are sterilized and threshed. This process separates the fruits from the bunches, which are then mechanically pressed to extract the oil from the pulp.
After gathering all the ingredients, we return to the factory where the production of Nutella has begun.
The inherent oil content in the cocoa paste and hazelnuts transforms it into a silky, smooth paste.
After mixing for a set period, we are presented with a highly beloved Nutella chocolate spread. Just looking at its consistency is making me tempted to declare today a cheat day.
The process of filling glass jars with Nutella begins without delay, ensuring that the flavor
Next, we turn our attention to the buckets, which are filled with Nutella using clean and efficient nozzles. Let's take a closer